This is the blanket flower, or common Gaillardia. This is a recently planted Helianthus pauciflorus subrhomboideus, or a beautiful sunflower. We'll see how that does. This is the Symphyotrichum ericoides, Many-panicled Aster or Heath Aster. It's going to throw up some really nice white flowers here pretty soon. I quite like it. It's got a lot of stems that have emerged this year. This is another spot with beautiful sunflower. It was planted a year ago. There's 3 distinct pups this year, little plants that are there. This is blue Grama, or the Bouteloua gracilis. It's coming back nicely, nice and green. It's going to be a good clump grass. The clump has grown since last year when it was planted. Excited about this one to get established. I think it's attractive and I want it to expand. This is lower down on the slope. This is an Agastache foeniculum, or the Anise Hyssop, with a couple of the Smooth Blue Asters. They're kind of like along for the ride on this one. You can see some of the leaves, like right there, right there, right there. They're kind of for the Smooth Blue Aster. It's a little smaller than a whole bunch of my other ones around. I don't think it's a problem, but it's definitely smaller. There's more stems. It's surviving. It's been here at least 2 years. This is a Symphyotrichum ericoides that was kind of lost and is now found. Occasionally I lose track of where some of the plants that I've planted are, but here it is. And it's doing okay, not as well as the other one, but it's doing pretty good. This is Eurybia conspicua, or the Western Showy Aster. It's doing pretty well here. It's actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 confirmed like stems, maybe 6 or 7. Like there's some smaller ones in there too. So it's well established. It's not putting on the same growth or height that some of the other locations are. I'm okay with that. It's getting established, putting on roots. A Geum triflorum, or the 3-flowered avens, Prairie Smoke, old man's whiskers, growing right here. It's a little encroached on by some of the grasses. It's not getting the full light that I'd love it to get. I might pull some of the grass away. We'll see. This is the wild Blue Flax, or Linum lewisii. It's hard to see here because it's kind of fine, but it's sitting here and it's surviving and doing. And it is going to flower here pretty soon. We'll see how it does. So all those are flower heads. There's some other flower heads there too. But it's going to flower, and hopefully some of that seed gets established elsewhere and it spreads, which I would like to see, because this isn't a long-lived perennial, and it's been here a couple years already. This is the Liatris spicata. It's a personal favorite of mine. I think it's very attractive. Kind of looks grass-like right now. Can't wait until it actually puts on a spike and it has some colors. This was a wild strawberry last year, and it has not come back yet, or it's not doing well, or it may not come back at all. It was a little wet this spring, with us getting about 1/3 of our annual moisture, almost half, in a week or two. Signs of extra moisture with the moss that's all around it, but it's not doing well. It's looking like it's not going to come back. We'll see what happens.